class 8. In this video, I am going to start chapter 18, mensuration. And in this mensuration, in the previous class, you have learned the area and perimeter of rectangle, triangle and square. And in this chapter, you will learn the area of other polynomials like the trapezium, parallelogram and the circle also. Now I am taking the first figure. First plane figure is the triangle. Suppose the three sides of the figures are A, B and C. The name of this figure is triangle because it has three sides. So three-sided figure is, suppose this is the base and the height h is the height of this triangle. Then the area of this triangle is half into base into height, and the perimeter of this triangle is A plus B plus C. Perimeter means the measure of the sum of all the three sides. Now the second figure is a rectangle. A rectangle is a figure in which the opposite sides are equal and parallel also, and each of its angle is 90 degree. Suppose the length of this is L, length and breadth B is there. In this case, the area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth, and the perimeter is twice of length plus breadth. Now the next figure is a square, and as you know that in square all four sides are equal and all four angles are of 90 degree. So the name of this figure is square. The area of this is A into A, means side into side, and the perimeter of square is 4 into side, means 4A. The next figure is a parallelogram because the opposite sides are parallel and equal, and the area of, suppose this is the base and this is the height of the parallelogram. The area of parallelogram is base into height. Suppose this is the base and the other side, other side is A, then perimeter is twice of A plus B because its opposite sides are equal also. Now the next figure is a circle, and the area formula for area of circle is pi r square. This is called pi, and the value of this pi is either 22 upon 7 in fractional form or 3.14 in decimal form. So wherever you will find out the value of area of circle, in place of pi you can write down 22 upon 7 or 3.14. And the perimeter means the length of the boundary of this circle, and this is equals to 2 pi r. The next figure is a quadrilateral in which two sides are parallel and other two sides are not parallel. So this kind of figure, this kind of quadrilateral is called trapezium. And the area of this trapezium is, if this is the height of the trapezium and A and B are the two parallel sides, then the area of this trapezium is half sum of parallel side, that is A plus B multiplied by height. And the perimeter, other two sides are C and D, then the perimeter will be equal to A plus B plus C plus D. So this is these are the formulas of this figure. In this chapter you will do the question related to these figures, in which you have to find out the area and perimeter of these figures. See question number 1 of 18.1 exercise. In this question, the length and breadth of a rectangular field are given in the ratio 9:5, and if the area of field is 14,580 square meter, find the cost of surrounding the field with a fence at the rate of 3.25 per meter. It means we have to find out the length of the fence. This means that we have to find out the perimeter of this rectangular field. We have given the ratio of length and breadth. So we'll take let the length and breadth of rectangular field as 9x and 5x, because the ratio is given in 9:5. So 9 and 5s respectively. Area is given. Area, as I told you the formula, area of rectangular field or area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Here the length is 9x and the breadth is 5x. So 9x multiplied by 5x equals to 14,580 square meter. So 9 5s are 45. X square equals to 14,580. X square equals to 14,580 divided by 45. We can divide this by 5. 5 9s are 45. 5 2s are 10. 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 5. 3 is left. 35 6s are 30. I think this is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. 3 7s are 21. And 3 2s are 6. Again by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, and 3 4s are 12. So x square equals to 324. It means x equals to under root 324. Find out the under root of this. You can find out the under root by prime factorization method. You will divide it by 2. 1 jar, 6 jar, and 2 2s are. Then 2 8s are. It is divided by 3, 27, then again by 3, 9, 3 3s are 9. So if we take the number like this, in there, x will be equal to 2 into 3 into 3, that is equals to 18 meter. So the value of x is 18 meter. It means the length is 9x, 9 into 18. Which is equals to 162 meter, and breadth is 5x, 5 into 18, 18 5s are 90 meter. Now we find out the perimeter of this, because we have to fence the rectangular field. Perimeter, the formula for perimeter is twice length plus breadth. So this will be equal to 2. Length is 162 plus 90, and 162 plus 90 is 2 multiplied by 252, which is equals to 2 are 4, 2 5 are 10, 2 to 4 and 5 meter. And the cost of fencing is given 3.25 per meter. So cost of fencing is equals to the total length, which is 504, multiplied by 3.25. And multiply this yourself and get the answer. This will be your answer. You can multiply this question yourself. इसके बाद ना कितने का हो गया total? Now I am explaining question number 5 of exercise 18.2. In this, the diagram is given over here. From the adjoining diagram, calculate the area of trapezium ACDE, the area of parallelogram ABDE and the area of triangle BCD. If you see the figure, trapezium ABDE, the two parallel sides are 7 and 13 and the distance between them or the height of the trapezium is 6.5. So the formula to find out the area of trapezium ABDE is equal to 1/2 the sum of parallel sides. Two parallel sides are 7 and 13. So 7 plus 13 and multiplied by the height is 6.5. So this will be equal to 1/2. 7 plus 13 is 20 multiplied by 6.5. So we can divide 20 by 2 to get 10, and if we multiply 6.5 by 10 we get 65. So 65 square meter is the area of trapezium. Now we have to find out the area of parallelogram. The formula to find out the area of parallelogram is base into height. So the formula for area of parallelogram is base into height. So this will be equal to base is 7 and the height is 6.5. So if we multiply these two numbers, we will get 45.5 square meter, and area of BCD triangle is equals to area of the whole figure, that is the area of trapezium minus area of parallelogram. Area of trapezium from there taken 65 and the area of the parallelogram is 45.5, and if we subtract these two numbers we get 19.5. So 19.5 meter square is the area of triangle. So children, go through all the examples given in this exercise, and this will be helpful for you to solve the question of 18.1 and 18.2 exercises.